Hi there, we are going to be making some spicy papaya today. So go ahead and add your Thai chili and your garlic and your peanuts. Do smash everything up, be very careful. Next, we are going to add in some melted palm sugar. Most of the time, you can find these ingredients at your local Asian store. Now next, I am going to add some shrimp and crab paste. I don't know how much I use. I just eyeball everything. I guess that's what makes papaya good in general. And then mix everything up. Mix. And then next, I will add some fish sauce and tamarind. Like I said, I just eyeball everything. And I hope you do so too. And then next, after these two, I will add in some lime. I love lime scam into my papaya sauce, so that's what I'm going to be adding. And then next will be tomatoes. I love tomatoes, so I add a lot. And I guess that's what makes the papaya really colorful. And then make sure you do taste your sauce along the way and change and add accordingly to your taste. I like my taste to be really spicy, at the same time sweet and sour. And I am going to be adding some sweet crab legs into my sauce right after this. Yummy. Oh my gosh, look at that sauce. Yum. And then I already shredded my papaya, so I will be adding that into my sauce right now. And you don't want to pound too hard. You don't want to take away that crunchiness. But go ahead and mix. And after mixing, you will want to go ahead and pour it in a plate. And once I do, I will show you guys how my papaya salad looks like. It is yummy. Look at that. Yum. Just watching and narrating this make me hungry. Okay, so this is the papaya.